What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'm going to show you how to draw and color Dustin from Stranger Things. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. We're going to start on the top left. Then bring that eye coming down toward the bottom. And we'll pull that back up towards the top. Now I'm going to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line up the top of that eye, come all the way down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Now we're going to add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye, we're going to bring that circle coming in and then back out, and do the same thing on the right. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now with the eyes in place, let's move to the center and draw on the nose. Lining up with the bottom edge of the eyes, let's go to the center. We'll start on the left, curve the nose going down and then up. Now I'm going to step up and draw a short curve going up and then down for the bridge of the nose. Let's add a fold along the side of the nose. Starting on the left, curves out and then down. And then we'll move to the center and draw in the mouth. Starting back over on the left, curve the mouth going up. And bring that down. Now on the ends, we're going to step up and draw a short curve going up and down, and we'll fill in the inside. Let's go back to the center, step down and add a short curve coming down and up across the lower lip. Now from here, we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, let's step out and draw a large half circle. Coming down, just going to bring that in underneath the mouth. Go across and pull that back up. Let's add in the eyebrows. Starting on top of the left eye, curve this up and then in. Line this up on the right, go out and then bring that down. Now on the inside, draw a short line going up and we'll taper this out and then down towards a point on the outside. Let's fill the inside for the eyebrows. Now from here, we move up to the top and draw the lower edge of the hat. Lining up at the side of the head, go up towards the top, curve this up in the middle, and we'll bring that down the outside. Let's round up the ends, just pulling these back in. Now we connect the ends with another curve. We're going to go up a little bit higher in the middle, bring this across, and then back down. Now let's add in the ears. Starting from the side of the head, start with a curve going out and then up on both sides. And then from the end, we'll step down, curve the ear, coming around, and just pull that back in toward the side of the head. And we'll add a small fold along the inside. Let's go back to the side of the head and draw the edge of the hairline. Starting over on the left, curve this around and then out. Draw a shorter curve on the left, and then we'll curve that back up underneath the hat. Now from here, we're going to work our way over towards the right. Starting up here, come down and then in toward the center of the head, add in that curl, go out and then up. And draw a series of curves going all the way across towards the right. Now we're going to work our way around the outside of the hair. Starting from the bottom corner of the hat brim, curve around and then in towards the side of the ear. Let's go back to the left side, curve out and then in, bend that back out. Now I'm going to add a point coming in, and we'll just tuck this up underneath the head. Let's go over towards the right side, start with that curl going up, bend that back in. I'm just going to work our way underneath the head on the right side. Now going back up to the top, let's finish off the hat. From the left side of the hat brim, curve this up and bend that in. And we'll close off the top with another curve, going up in the middle, and we'll bend that back down. Let's add a trim along the side of the hat, starting from the top left, bend this out, and then down. Now you want to add a simple computer logo in the center of the hat. Starting over on the left, curve this up and down, straight down the sides, and we'll round out the bottom. Let's leave a gap, draw a straight line going across, and go down and out towards the side, and we'll close off the bottom. Let's add 2 lines on either side, and then inside the center of the monitor, we'll draw the number 85. And now that we finished off the head, let's work our way down the side of the body. We'll start over on the left side, underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip, go over towards the right, then it's out, and then down towards the same height. Connect the hips with a curve. Let's add the straps of the backpack along the side. Stepping out, curve around, and then pull that in toward the side of the body. And then halfway along the strap, draw a line going across. Let's add the collar along the top, stepping in, come down, and then up, and we'll trace that along the inside. Let's add a little bit of detail to the body. We'll start with the word camp along the top. We'll start on the left. Just gonna bend this across. And then the word nowhere. So make sure we go a little bit smaller with the word. And we'll add that monitor in the center. Draw a straight line, come down the side, and close off the rectangle. Now from here we're going to continue working down toward the feet. From the center of the body, let's step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a small gap in the center, go to the left side, angle it down and out toward the bottom of the short, move over, and draw another line. Let's round out the bottom, starting from the left, curve it down and then up toward the side. And we'll connect the hip to the bottom with a straight angled line. Now you go back up to the top and add the belt. From the hip, step down, that same curve going across, and then in the center, draw 2 lines for the buckle, and we'll add a belt loop on either side. Now I'm going to move to my ultra fine point marker and add the pockets. Starting over on the left, curve down and in, angle this down, and then curve that back out. Let's go back to the inside corner of the shorts, step out, draw 2 straight angled lines coming down and out towards the heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Come down, and then bend that up. Let's go back over towards the left side. We're going to round out the foot, going up. We'll bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and we'll bend that back up towards the inside of the leg. From the outside corner of the shorts, we'll step in, draw another straight angled line coming down on top of the feet. From the top of the leg, let's step down, add a curve, come down and up along the edge of the socks. And then from the bottom of the foot, we'll step up, follow that same curve for the sole. Now we're going to move back to our ultra fine point marker and add a stripe across the sock. So step down, just following that same curve, we'll do that twice on both sides. Let's add the toe cap across the foot. Start from the top, curve this in and then down. And now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. From the bottom of the strap, let's step up, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. Let's line this up on the right. Now from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb. We're going to come down and bend this up around that bracket. Step down, go across, bend this up. Step down again, curve the 3rd finger going all the way around, and we'll bend the arm coming in underneath the head. Now let's add in the sleeve. From the top of the arm on the inside, let's step down, curve this up, and bend that out. And we'll step up again and add a stripe, following that same curve coming in. Now you're going to add the watch across the right wrist. We'll start by drawing a square in an angle. Start with the top, down the sides, and we'll close off the bottom. Let's go to the top of the thumb, curve this up and in behind that square, continue on the outside, step up, and draw that same curve to the top of the strap. Now we're going to grab our markers and I'll show you how to color this in. Let's start with our light skin tone and fill in the head. Let's work our way around the eyes. And we'll also fill in the ears. And then grab our dark brown and fill in the hair. Now let's use our yellow to fill the center of the hat, going around that logo and going around the brim. And we grab our orange and fill in the collar and the stripe across the sleeves. And with our green, we'll fill the outside of the hat, including the brim. We're also going to fill the inside of that logo, as well as the shirt. We're going to grab our blue and fill in the straps of the backpack. And then the belt, going around the belt loops and the buckle. I'm going to go back to my blue and fill the stripes inside the socks. Using a gray to fill in the watch. Now we're just using our pink pencil crayon to add a little bit of hue to the lips along the top. Just blending that out. We'll also go as we get near the end, I'll add a couple highlights with my white Posca pen, and always be sure to sign your artwork, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color Dustin from Stranger Things. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.